special because it's our relationship with our partners that makes the business that we are. But also, it's the first time in a hell of a long time that we've been together, face to face, working together, exchanging ideas, and that's absolutely fantastic.
I think for me, the key point is how we as a society deal with new technologies, how we put the wrapper around those technologies to ensure that we use them in the public good and for our own good rather than cause problems with them.
We're going to significantly reduce the footprint, the build costs, and we're going to increase the site productivity.
Amazing how much technology we managed to get on display. It's great to see the reactions of the partners to it. And I hear that the tours yesterday went particularly well. Lots of comments about seeing Swiftfields in particular and some of the team there. So thank you to everyone in Swiftfields who put on a phenomenal tour. Really got everyone energized.
Thanks to Ocado, we are able to benefit from recent innovation, from R&D, from robots, for on-grid picking, and this is something that we would never be able to do on our own.
It's fantastic to obviously have so many retailers in the same room to learn about the new developments that are in the pipeline, both in the near future as well as in the long run.